F1 2025 is finally here and it looks stunning. The cars, the tracks, the new lighting system, everything feels closer to real Formula 1 than ever before. EA and Codemasters have clearly pushed the limits this year. The new driver animations, realistic pit stops, and updated handling model make this version feel completely fresh. And let's be honest, everyone wants to play it. But with the new price tag, a lot of players are asking the same question. Is there a way to get it for free? You might have seen some people online claiming there's a method to play F1 2025 without paying. It sounds too good to be true, but let's take a closer look. Before we get to the actual trick, let's talk about why so many people are desperate to try it. The 2025 edition adds dynamic weather, improved career mode options, and better AI rivals that react more like real drivers. Even the sound design has been rebuilt. You can hear every gear shift and engine echo. Whether you're on console or PC, it feels like being on the track. So yes, wanting this game for free is understandable. It's one of the best racing sims ever made. But here's the truth. All those get it for free videos online usually involve risky tricks, VPNs, fake regions, or sketchy websites. That's not worth the trouble. There's actually a smarter and completely legal way to play F1 2025 without paying the full price. That method is called EA Play. For around €40 a year, EA Play gives you access to a big catalog of EA games, early trials, and discounts. And F1 2025 is part of it. Instead of buying the full game, you can play it through your subscription safely and save a lot of money. And if you already use Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, EA Play is included, meaning you might already have access without paying extra. Plus, EA often releases free trial weekends where you can test the full game for a few days. So yes, technically it's not 100% free, but it's the smartest and safest way to enjoy F1 2025 without spending much. Subscribe once, race all year, and do it the right way.